Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can turn off color inversion problem or feature in your POCO smartphone. Friends, you can see the colors of the apps and the in apps. You can see when you just open any of the app, like click on YouTube, and you can see all the colors are mismatched. You can see white and black. How you can fix this problem in your phone? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First you have to swipe down and click on settings, click on additional settings, and here it is accessibility. Click on vision, swipe down. You have to turn it off, the color inversion. You can see this, and now your mobile colors are default colors are there. You can see it is in their own colors. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.